Hey everyone, welcome to day 12 of 365 Watching an Artist Improve. Today I'm drawing a realistic portrait of God Surya Dev, and this is part of my 365 day drawing challenge. Let's get started. For this drawing, I'm using the grid method. It helps in keeping the proportion accurate and makes complex images easier to draw. I've added the reference image link in the description if you want to try this method yourself. This challenge is all about staying consistent and learning step by step. I am focusing on improving my basics with every drawing one day at a time. That's it for the outline. The coloring video will be uploaded tomorrow, so wait for it. Follow the challenge and I will see you in the next video.